Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you wish to view and edit the general options for a selected pivot table, then click the Options button that appears in the Pivot Table button group on the Analyze tab within the Pivot Table Tools Contextual tab within the ribbon. Doing this will open the Pivot Table Options dialog box where you can set several general options that control the appearance and behavior of the selected pivot table. At the top of the dialog box, you can type a name for the pivot table into the Pivot Table Name text box. Below that, there are several tabs that represent the various pivot table option categories. On the Layout and Format tab, you can check or uncheck the options shown to set the appearance of pivot table data. You can click the Totals and Filters tab to change the display of totals and subtotals in the pivot table, and also set the general filtering and sorting behaviors that are available. On the Display tab, you can set options that determine the appearance of the pivot table within the worksheet. On the Printing tab, you can set the options that determine the appearance of the pivot table when printed. On the Data tab, you can set options that control the relationship that is shared between the pivot table and its source data. Finally, on the Alt Text tab, you can enter a text description of the pivot table. After setting the options that you want your pivot table to possess in these tabs, click the OK button to apply the options to the selected pivot table.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.